Aloha and welcome. Take a moment to arrive here. You don't need to be ready. You don't need to feel calm yet. Just being here is enough. Allow your body to settle into stillness. Let the day pause just for now. There is nowhere you need to go. There is nothing you need to solve. This is your space to soften. Take one slow breath in through your nose and gently release it. In this moment, we're not trying to fix anything. We're allowing your system to remember safety. When the body feels safe, strength returns naturally. Let my voice move slowly through you. You don't need to repeat these words. Simply listen and receive. I allow my body to slow down. I allow my emotions to settle. I allow myself to feel supported. There is no urgency here. There is no pressure to be anything else. I am safe to be exactly where I am. With every breath, my nervous system becomes steadier. I feel grounded in my body. I feel anchored in the present moment. I do not need to react to everything I feel. I can observe with calm awareness. My emotions move through me without overwhelming me. I am learning to trust myself again. I am learning to respond with clarity. I do not lose myself in stress. I return to myself with ease. Calm strength lives within me. Quiet confidence flows through my chest. I am emotionally resilient. I bend, but I do not break. I release old emotional tension. I no longer carry what is not mine. Each moment of calm restores balance inside me. As my emotions soften, my energy becomes lighter. I feel youthful, not because I push, but because I allow ease. My body responds beautifully to peace. My mind clears when I slow down. I am not running out of time. Life unfolds at a perfect pace for me. There is wisdom in my breath. There is intelligence in my calm. I trust the rhythm of my life. I trust myself to navigate change. I feel steady. I feel capable. I feel supported. Take one more slow breath in and gently release it. Know that this calm stays with you. You can return to it whenever you choose. Thank yourself for showing up today. This is how emotional strength grows. When you're ready, carry this steadiness into your day. You are welcome here, and you may return whenever you need peace.